Good morning, Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all are fine. Now, today our topic is mechanism of enzyme action from chapter number 6 named enzyme. In this lecture, we will study how enzyme work in our body and in various reactions. Firstly, you have to understand journalize mechanism action, which is ES. E denote enzyme, S denote substrate, then form. After enzyme and substrate, there is a complex formation exist, which is known as ES complex. And now enzyme convert substrate into a product. After a substrate converted into the product, it means our reaction has been completed. So, for explanation of this enzyme, there are two models. Number one is a lock and key model. When you will write a lock and key model, you have to mention these two headings. You will summarize lock and key model under two headings. Number one is a discovery. Okay, who discovered lock and key model? Emil Fischer. In 1894, proposed a lock and key model. Then you will mention mechanism. You will write according to this model, both enzymes and substrate possess specific shape. As its name indicates, a lock and key. There is only one key. As you know, in usual life, there is only one key which can open a lock. In the same way, there will only one substrate which can attach to the enzyme. This one is, now I am going to label this. This one is substrate and this one is enzyme. You all already know this is known as active site. We have already studied in characteristics. This is active site. Active site is a place where substrate attach, and this one is the only point where the reaction can take place. If this substrate attached to this side or maybe this side, there will be no reaction will be exist. This is known as active site, which is specialized, which is made for this process, whole process. Now have a look of this generalized equation. It belongs to these both are the same. E plus X is mean enzyme and this one is substrate. Both can fit exactly into each other. Now in the second point, E as complex may be formed. ES complex. Substrate has been attached to the enzyme and there is a complex formation exists, which is known as enzyme substrate complex. After this, the enzyme convert a substrate into product. Both of these are known as product. Enzyme convert them into product. This is known as lock and key model, in which specificity exists. Only specific substrate will attach to the specific enzyme and they fit exactly into one another. This is known as enzyme. Firstly, you have to mention discovery, then you will write mechanism. Number third point is a diagram. Whether it may be long or short question, you always have to make diagram because biology is incomplete without diagrams. You will draw this diagram. This is a very simple and simplified diagram. There is no need to draw it three-dimensional. I have seen in your book there is three-dimensional diagram. You maybe draw it as simple as I have drawn it for you. Second model for the explanation of mechanism of enzyme action is induced fit model. But an induced fit model is more acceptable than lock and key model. And it was rejected. Lock and key model was rejected. And in 1958, Daniel Koshland proposed induced fit model. Induced fit model will be summarized under these headings: discovery, explanation, and then diagram. In discovery, you will write as in 1958, an American biologist Daniel Koshland suggested a modification to lock and key model and proposed induced fit model. He said lock and key model is not acceptable, it is rejected, and there is a modification. This is more acceptable, so this must be followed now onwards. Then these lines will become under discovery. In explanation, you will write as, according to this model, active site is not a rigid structure. Active site is actually this site. It is not a rigid structure. In lock and key model, we say that active site was a rigid structure, and there is only one substrate who can join the enzyme. So he rejected all these. He said active site is not a rigid structure. It can be molded in any shape according to the given substrate. According to this rigid structure, rather it is molded into required shape to perform its action. He said it is not a rigid structure. It can take any shape according to the substrate. I have drawn different shape active site. Now have a look. There is different shape substrate is coming towards it. And what enzyme have done? Enzyme changed its active site. Enzyme acquired the shape of the substrate for the active for the doing of its for the performance of its action, and convert the substrate into product. Now I am going to compare it with the mechanism of enzyme action. E plus S, it's mean enzyme and then substrate. Enzyme substrate, ES complex, enzyme and substrate combine each other and form an ES complex, and after the whole process, enzyme converts substrate into products. These are the two products. After this explanation, you will draw a diagram like this. In your book, there is only two steps has been drawn for your better understanding, for your better concept. You can draw another step like this, because our enzyme action can be completed when the substrate will be converted into product. In the end, you will write induced fit model is more acceptable than lock and key model of enzyme action. I hope you all understand both of the models. One is lock and key model and the other is induced fit model. Thank you so much class for taking online class. Take more lectures so for improvement in your biology subject. Thank you so much class.